Today we will learn about making solid objects by using revolve command. It's easy and shorter video. Please watch until the end. After watching the tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let's begin. First, make horizontal center line. Then sketch another vertical center line as shown. Sketch the pattern like this. And give the dimension 40 mm, then 5 mm. Go to Mirror Entities, then select the line we want to mirror and mirror about the vertical center line. Then OK, then select the arc and sketch an arc. Give the radius 30 mm, then select the smart dimension and give the dimension 10 mm. Select line and sketch horizontal line. Select Smart Dimension and define the length of an object as 20 mm, 30 mm and 60 mm. Then trim the unwanted part using power trim. Now our 2D sketch is fully defined. Then go to Revolve Boss Space. Select the axis of rotation as a horizontal center line. We will get this shape. Select a fillet and select an edges and fillet by 2 mm, then OK. Thanks. Subscribe and be familiar with these tutorials. Have a good day.